Good afternoon, everybody. It's actually Sunday, and this is our walkthrough video for next week, which is the week of March 1st through March 5th. We do have a couple of changes this week. I know I've sent the schedules out to you guys, so our Google Classroom will kind of reflect that as well. So just letting you know, and I'll walk through it as well for you guys. So I'm at Clever. I'm going to log in with Google. And go to Miss Wilson's page. Here's all of our stuff. And Canvas, of course. And then again, you guys, it's a speaking and listening button that our kids have. And then here's our classroom. This is still our poster for Black History Month. I thought that was such a neat poster. If you look at it, I love all those pictures. And then here's our button for our classroom. Although I'm actually going to go to Chelsea's view, so you don't have teacher view. So this is Chelsea's right here. That way you can actually see it as how the kids see it. Here in the stream, I actually put another copy of the schedule here for you guys to see. If you were not able to download it from Blooms, let me know. I'm happy to email a copy to you as well. Here's kind of what it looks like. Starting tomorrow, we've got virtual office hours. There's a breakfast time if you're on campus. To make our schedule kind of work, I just have this morning a little bit of time from 9:05 to 9:25 is independent work Smarty Ants. Perhaps I can start doing Smarty Ants before we meet. But then we have our reading meet is at the same time as always. And I have tried to keep our schedule as close to the same as I possibly could, but our lunchtime did get moved around. So then our small reading groups will be at the same time, kind of independent work then. I had to move our friendship groups it's kind of the same at our recess time. So that's going to be 11 to 11:20. So if your student has a friendship group that day, they would log on again with us at 11 o'clock. And then lunch officially is like 11:25 to 11:55. So at noon is going to be our writing meet. Specials will be at 12:30 to 1:20 now instead of at the end of the day. I am really not sure yet if it is just going to be back to where Ms. Mikala stays with the class and they watch the video and do the activity together, or if they'll be live. I really do not know at this point. Wednesdays will definitely be asynchronous PE. So, and then our math is at 1:25 to 1:55. Math groups right afterwards. Our science and social studies, is still at the end of the day. It'll be 2:45 to 3:05. So that is kind of our schedule. So that is also in our stream in our classroom. If you go here to classwork, of course, then I have our week right here. So the week of, and it's still loading. You can kind of see it's zipping across the top. So reading meet, the time is the same. Small groups. What's going to happen with our small groups is instead of being like Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, Thursday, it's now going to be Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday. And so then I did make those corrections here. So Monday and Thursday will be red group, yellow group. Tuesday, Friday will be green group, purple group. So that is shown there as well. Reading independent work this week. Let me move this down a little bit so we can see it a little bit better. So in my instructions, and the kids are used to, if they don't have group, logging on to Smarty Ants. So that's fine. They can continue to do that as well. There's MobyMax. We have Bloom cards and Clever that they can work on. Several different book sites. Myon. There's Tumbleweed Books. There's Epic. Storyline Online, so there's a lot of different options for them for books, for digital books. And I do have a library attached as well. The spring library still. Next week I'll have a new library up for everybody. So again, I'm listing it by the day of the week. On Monday, we're going to be doing My Lost Tooth. It's a main idea passage. Tuesday is a Duke Ellington comprehension passage. On Wednesday, we will meet at 9:30 just kind of as a wellness check and to see how you're doing. It's not a lesson. I will have the kids complete their their Wednesday wellness forum at that time, and I will take attendance at our 9:30 meet. And then during their independent time, they are expected to still log into Google Classroom and do their Wednesday work, even though we're not doing our regular live meets on Wednesday. So what I've done is I have a video on blends. It's called Blend Them Up. And then there's a blends worksheet for them to complete. They should enjoy this. I had a fun time with this video. So they should enjoy that video, and then there's a blend worksheet that they can complete. Thursday, we're going to be talking about position words, which are prepositions. And then Friday, I have a read aloud, and we're going to talk about story elements. So again, on Wednesday, they can watch this video, click the video and watch it. And then this is the worksheet that goes along with it, which is just blends. So it says, watch the video on blends first, look at each picture and say the word out loud. What is the beginning blend? Choose from the bank of blends and type it in the box. So this is a picture of a fly. So we're going to listen to fly, and here you hear the F-L. So then you can go in here and you would type in the F-L like that. So cloud, and again, so you're just going to kind of go through each of these pictures, think about the beginning blend, the two letters that make the sound, and type it into the box. All right, so that is reading. Friendship groups, that's been updated as well. They will also go Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So your child's name is on the list if they would like to. It's not mandatory. However, we have had a lot of fun in friendship groups. Sometimes we just tell jokes the whole time, and the kids really seem to enjoy it. So friendship groups. Recess, lunchtime, writing meet again 12 to 12:25. Here's our independent work. Monday, Tuesday, I want to give the kids a chance to finish actually presenting the information that they researched from last week when we were doing our biography and research on famous people for Black History Month. So really Monday, Tuesday, I want everyone to have a chance to finish presenting their research because we ran out of time. So we have 2 more days where everybody hopefully will have a chance to present all of the amazing information. Wednesday, again, it's going to be independent work on Wednesday. I have a video, the sentence song, which just again talks about the parts of a sentence. And then the worksheet for that day is this one, which is just to fix the sentence. It's not even out of order, this one. You're just going to read the sentence, rewrite it correctly, thinking about or remembering that all sentences must start with a capital letter and that they must end with some kind of punctuation. So Ben is going to the zoo, then you'd click here, capital B for Ben is going to the zoo. And they might want to put a period, they might want to put an exclamation point for their punctuation. So that's Wednesday's assignment. Again, will be done independently. Thursday, we're going to complete, we've got a bird picture writing prompt, and then Friday will be an opinion prompt, which is kind of cute. Would you like apple juice or orange juice better? And I've already got the I like, and we're going to talk about adding the because and letting me know a reason why they choose either apple juice or orange juice. So that is writing. Let's go view more here. I don't know if you can see that. View more. So our specials, again, are going to be now 12:30 to 1:20. Here is like their lineup. Monday is going to be arts now. Tuesday is PE. I'm going to bring that up just a little bit. Wednesday is going to be PE as well, but that asynchronous for sure. Thursday is science. That one stayed the same. And then Friday is music. Google Meet, small group. And I did change those groups to indicate, again, instead of Monday, Wednesday, it's going to be Monday, Thursday, and then Tuesday, Friday. All right, math work this week. Kind of try to, always seems like we run out of time, and I've really pushed the addition and subtraction, and I think they're all pretty good at it. So subtraction, we're going to keep practicing on subtraction without regrouping for right now, which is Monday, subtraction practice worksheet, and just going back over again that you want to make sure you're subtracting ones place and then tens place. And then Tuesday, we're going to attempt or try to see if we can start teaching the rest of the class addition with regrouping. We have been doing that in small groups. So we're going to teach the rest of the class. See how we do. And it'll take a lot of practice, and we'll just keep practicing it until it becomes a little bit more automatic for us to remember to carry that 1 to the tens place. Wednesday, again, is going to be your independent work. You're going to watch a skip count by 2 video. It's actually the video that they love. And then I just have a skip count by 2 worksheet. So it's just a refresher. And it's going to tie into Friday because we're going to kind of still look at, well, it's actually multiplying by 2, which is also kind of like skip counting by 2. It ties in a little bit. That might get confusing, but that's, like I said, we'll work on it. Wednesday's just a refresher for them. And then Friday, we're going to look at the doubles again and how the doubles is also multiplying by 2. Thursday, we're going to introduce greater than, less than, or equal to. I'm not sure if they have done this previously. I hope so. And if not, then I will teach them about it. And I found they're going to love this. This is one of the Go Noodle videos, the people that they like. So they're going to enjoy that video too. And I also have the doubles video there for them. But so Wednesday for the independent work, they're going to watch the skip count by 2's video. And then here is the practice sheet for them. Just fill in the boxes for skip counting. I know it's not a great quality, but just think 2, 4, 6, 8. So you're just going to type in, you know, the numbers to complete this. And then this is just another maze that they've done several of. So 2, 4, 6, and then just bring the bubbles over to the correct numbers again as you're skip counting. So it's actually kind of fun. I like those. Greater than, less than, actually to start out teaching them is we're going to show groups of objects and we can count them up to see which one has more. And then I have these so you can just click and drag them over like that. So we have a couple worksheets on that. Subtraction practice. It's kind of, again, just going over first subtract the ones, and they've actually drawn it out in base 10 blocks and crossing them out. So that is one way that we can draw it out. We usually draw just the dots for the ones. And then here, like I said, the 3 10s. Then they do the 10s. I crossed out 2 of them and they have 1 10 left. So 13. So that's just a review. And then addition, the first side kind of has a little, just a walkthrough that we always start with 1. So it's start on the right. And it kind of explains how that's 10. And we know we see a little box here, it's 10. But that the 0 goes here, that you carry the 1 here in the tens place, and then you add up these 3 digits. So you're adding 3 one-digit numbers, which we have practiced as well. And then the worksheet that goes along with it, I've already got the box up there to carry that 1. And we'll just, like I said, a lot of the kids have been doing it in small groups, and we'll see how it goes for them. All right, that is math. Science at the end of the day. Monday, we have a class scavenger hunt that they earned for filling up the class marble jar. So that'll be Monday. Tuesday, we're going to watch just a mystery science video on why baby animals are so cute. And there's no real assignment with it. If we have time, we'll practice drawing a baby animal with some of the characteristics that they discovered are what make baby animals so cute, because there's a whole science behind it. So if we have time, we'll do that on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I have a different mystery science video for them to watch on which animal has the biggest heart. And again, you can kind of see, why do baby animals look so cute? Here's the video for which animal has the biggest heart. And then for Wednesday, I just came up with a worksheet like this after they watch it. So which animal has the biggest heart? They can type in the answer. How long is a blue whale? Number 3 is, what is another interesting fact you learned? And then the last one is a question that they might still have. And I will go over that with them probably on Thursday. Thursday, we're going to watch another mystery science video about weather conditions, and then Friday we'll do the activity that goes along with that, which they only really need paper, pencil, crayons, markers, colored pencils, something to color in with. So that is our science for this week. Here's the Wednesday wellness, and I actually, since we're going to just be doing that on Wednesday, I'm going to have them complete that with me Wednesday in class at the 9:30 meet. So Wednesday, again, we're meeting at 9:30. If we go back here to stream and look at the schedule, you can see here that Wednesday is virtual office hours in the morning. 9:30, we have that class check-in. At 10 to 12:30 is your independent work. Maybe their iReady, Smarty Ants, whatever minutes, and whatever independent work I've given them. 12:30 to 1, we have another meet. And I figured we could probably use that time to discuss if they had any problems or questions about the work that I'd assigned for that day. I may pull some small groups or individual and do some one-on-one work with students at that time. This is our first week with this schedule, so we're going to kind of play it by ear. And then the remainder of the day, of course, the students were supposed to work independently in Google Classroom and Clever. So that is the schedule. And it looks like I needed to put that tab back. Look at that, it's uneven. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can get a hold of me on Blooms. You can email me. Please, like I said, don't hesitate to reach out. This is a new week, new schedule. So I'm just going to say let's have patience and hopefully it'll go smoothly. I look forward to seeing the kids tomorrow and have a good afternoon. Bye for now.